Hey all, iAligator here, and today I have an unboxing for you on the Keychron K8, which is the latest keyboard to come out from Keychron. It's a 10 keyless mechanical keyboard. It's also wireless and backlit, although you do have the option to use it wired as well. I actually purchased a pair of these, one in the red switch, which is not for me, and one in the brown switch, which is for me, and the one I'll be unboxing today. So you can see pretty nice packaging. It says the 10 keyless layout, dual compatibility with Mac and Windows, which is usually a given, but the nice thing with this is that it also comes with additional keycaps, as you can see laid down up here. Pair up to 3 devices. That's if you're using it wirelessly, so you can go between your phone, laptop, and another device, a desktop or something of the sort. Battery life, which it mentions it has up to 4 weeks with the backlight disabled and a 4,000 milliamp battery, and 15 plus light effects. This one is the white backlit. It does also come with replaceable switches and the option to have RGB backlighting, but I'm not really interested in that lighting, so I just got basically the basic one with the brown switches. Let's go down and open it up, get rid of the plastic here. And apologies for the weird setup here. My phone is actually on a bookshelf and I'm trying to make do without a proper tripod. The box did come a little bit damaged for this one. That's probably just shipping coming from mainland China. It was shipped by DHL. Pretty good otherwise though. Let's go ahead and take out the lid. Nothing here. This foam, which some actually use to silence the keyboard, you can open it up and put this as a layer underneath the keys to quiet it down. It comes with a little piece of paper which tells you the keys to use depending on if you're using Mac or Windows. Some more about how to use the various options, I'm guessing for switching to Bluetooth or pairing a new device. Comes with a dust cover, which this one you can actually use if you're going to leave your keyboard sitting for a while, so it's not just for packaging. And then the keyboard itself. Right off the bat, it's got some nice weight to it. Here it is. It has the feet here that go 1 level, 2, and 3, depending on what height you want it at. Put that to the side for now. Let's see what else we got in here. Looks like we got extra keycaps. I think this is the device switch key, escape, alt, lighting option key, another device switch key, and alt. Although I'm not even sure if this is the device switch or something else. We got a little user guide. It probably goes into more detail than the sheet that was attached with it. And we got a USB-C to USB Type A cable for connecting it wired or charging it, as well as a keycap remover. So here's the keyboard itself. I'll go ahead and put in a typing video right here. You can see how it sounds, and I'll try to use it for at least a couple of weeks and potentially do a review on it. Let me know what you think. You can follow me on Twitter at iAligator and give me your thoughts there. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.